I often get asked this question: how difficult is it to build a power team? Now, personally, I actually don't like the word power team. I'd rather call it a professional team, although I understand why a lot of people refer to it being a power team because they give you the power to deliver. So if we want to call it power team, I'm happy to go with it for today. Now, the problem is, how do you build that? How do you get that team of people to work for you if you've got no experience? That's a challenge that a lot of new developers face. They think, I'm not sure I could do this. I can't get an architect, a project manager, a cost consultant, a structural engineer, all wanting to work for me with no experience coming into this industry. But I need those people. I need those people to deliver. I'm not sure I can do this. This seems a bit of a challenge too far. Is that a blockage that you felt? Is that something that you've perhaps had a passing thought that, can I build this team? Not sure I can. It's not difficult. Let me tell you right now, today, as you listen to this, it will not be a problem. I want you to get a little bit of a mindset shift, because let's think about who is buying and who is selling. They're selling. Their businesses are based on finding new developers, new clients, as every business is. They want to find people that they can work for. They're not going to turn you down. Obviously, you've got to turn up with some credibility. If you rock up to them and you get up out of a beat-up old Ford Fiesta, you've got a ripped shirt, tatty jeans and dirty shoes and say, would you like to work for me? I'm going to do a multi-million-pound development. They're probably just going to walk away, okay? But if you look credible, okay, if you represent yourself, you present yourself in the right way, you understand what you're doing. That's a big thing, okay, because they'll soon start catching you out. If you're trying to deal with a load of old BS or flannel, let's see straight through that. So don't pretend. You don't have to pretend, okay, but present yourself in the right way with credibility, and there is a way you do that. But when you can do that, those people will want to work for you. Of course they will. They look for new clients. You will be a client of theirs. In fact, you don't have to say too much. Present yourself in the right way. They will start selling to you. I can do this. I can do that. What sort of projects are you looking to do? I'd love to be involved. Can I come and have a look at some for you? Quite often, and you might be surprised, a lot of these professionals, this power team, will actually come and look at some projects for you for free to start with. Yeah, I said it, come and look for free. If they think you're credible, if they think you're worthy, if they think that you're going to pull this off and achieve it, they don't mind that you've never done it before. Everyone has to start somewhere. And they might be thinking, I'm going to back this individual. I'm going to go for this individual because they're actually going to become a great client of ours. So let's get out of our heads today the problem of building a power team. You need to surround yourself with these people, and you will be able to do that. They are out there, the architects, the structural engineers, the cost consultants, the landscape architects, the M&E consultants, the contractors, and importantly, the project managers. And they will all want to work for you. You're buying, they're selling. So can you build a power team? Should you be worried about it? Of course you can build one. Should you be worried about it? No. So don't let that stop you. If you want to get into development, you will be able to build a power team. Hopefully you like what we've just said today. Hopefully that sparks a little bit of interest, maybe encourages you a little bit more to take this development journey. If you like what we do, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.